In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tripadvisor reviews in Webflow. Quick tutorial. We're going to connect your Webflow site with a Tripadvisor reviews widget using a simple embed. Start by opening your Webflow dashboard and selecting the site where you want the reviews to appear. Click to open the project in the designer so you're ready to place the widget on a page. Keeping the designer open in a tab will make it easy to switch back when you have the code. Next, head to the Elfsight website. From the home page, choose Explore Widgets, then use the search to find the Tripadvisor Reviews widget. Select it to open the widget page. Choose Create Widget for free, then continue with a template that matches your layout, such as a list, grid, or carousel. You can stick with the default template for speed in this quick tutorial and adjust styling later. Proceed through the setup flow and continue until you reach the point where Elfsight provides the installation details. If a prompt appears to add the widget to your website for free, confirm it and close any pop-ups. In the widget dashboard, open the Embed Code section. This is the snippet you'll paste into Webflow. Copy the entire code block so you don't miss any part of the script. Return to your Webflow designer. Open the Add Elements panel. Locate the Embed Component under Components, and drag it onto the page where you want the reviews. A good spot is inside a section or container, so it inherits your site's spacing. In the embed window that opens, paste the code you copied, and click Save and Close. Keep in mind, the Embed Component is available with a paid Webflow account or an active site plan. If you don't see it in your plan, you'll need to upgrade before publishing. Now publish your site from the top right corner. Many third-party scripts won't fully render inside the designer, so publishing is the best way to see the widget live. After the publish completes, open the live URL and confirm your Tripadvisor reviews are showing. If the widget doesn't appear immediately, clear your cache or do a hard refresh, then check that the code was pasted correctly and that the widget is active in your Elfsight dashboard. That's it. You've added Tripadvisor reviews to Webflow using a clean copy-paste embed. Tweak the widget's layout and styling in Elfsight to match your brand, republish in Webflow,